Hi, environmental science. So today you guys are working on a lab about how scientists actually calculate the size of a population, which is important because we're studying those population dynamics. So in case you're feeling confused about what we talked about yesterday, I'm going to actually show you how to do the lab. So you should have the lab document up and follow along with me while you watch what I am doing. And I'm going to get my lab document up. I'm not going to share my screen with you though, because I think it's more important that you see what I'm doing here. So the lab document says to find something that is small and all about the same size. So I'm using these white beads. And we're going to try to figure out how many beads are in here the scientific way. Okay? So it says to find a bag or a bowl. I found a nice little glass bowl. And then it says to take out 20 beans or beads or whatever you could find. So what you're going to do is I'm just going to take out a handful and go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, there's my 20. All the other ones are going to go back in the bowl for now. So what you're going to do is actually put, can you see? Beautiful. Put a mark on each one of these. So I'm just going to put a line, a little green, something on each of them. Each one needs something so that I can know that it's been out of my bowl. So what this represents is when scientists catch some animals and then they mark them or they tag them and then they send them back out into the wild. So I just got 20 animals of the same population. Maybe I'm studying a mice population. Okay, now I'm going to take my 20 mice that I caught, release them now that they've been marked back into the wild, and give it a little stir. Now, if we look at our document, it says catch 20 more, and then we're going to end up recording some stuff in our data table. So I'm going to take 20 more. I have some in my hand. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, I caught 20 more mice. Now we have to see how many of these mice have I caught before. So I'm looking for my ones. There's one that have green marks on it. So 1. And I only catch 1 repeat. It looks like it. Okay, so in my table that you should be looking at right now, you'll say total caught was 20, 19 did not have marks on them, and 1 did have marks on them. Then you'll put them back and you'll do it again. You're going to do this 5 times, and then there's a math equation that you'll have to do that will tell you how many beads or whatever you used you have, and then there's some questions to answer. Okay, so I hope you guys can do this with partners over FaceTime or Zoom or whatever you can. If you and your partner can't get together, hopefully you can find a way to do this independently. Almost anything will work for this. If you have some dry beans at home, or pennies or dimes, or small rocks, paper clips. I mean, if you were really desperate, you could just cut up a bunch of pieces of paper to be about the same size, and even that would work. So you have so many options, but if you can't find something to use, please email me and we'll figure it out. Let me know if you have questions.